In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Monopoly Go on 2 or even 3 different accounts using just one device. By the end of this simple tutorial, you'll have mastered the process of adding multiple accounts to your game and be ready to enjoy your expanded gameplay experience. First, a quick heads up. You'll need 2 different Facebook accounts to make this work. Unfortunately, you can't link more than one Monopoly Go account to the same Facebook account. So having a secondary Facebook account is crucial here. If you haven't set up a second Facebook account yet, don't worry, it's a simple and quick process that only takes a few minutes to do. For those already equipped with a secondary Facebook account, let's get started on how you can connect it to Monopoly Go. Begin by opening the Monopoly Go app on your phone. Once you're in, look for the 3 horizontal lines located at the top right corner of your screen and tap on them. This will open up a menu. From there, tap on Settings and then find the green button labeled Manage Account. Go ahead and tap that one too. Here, a pop-up window will appear with options to connect or disconnect accounts. Tap on the blue Disconnect button next to the Facebook icon. Don't worry, this simply logs you out of your original account. Before proceeding to add your second account, a crucial step is to clear the app data. If you're using an Android device, simply long press the Monopoly Go icon, tap on App Info, then navigate to Storage and select Clear Data. Rest assured, this action won't delete your account. It merely clears local data to provide a fresh start. Once you've cleared the data, open Monopoly Go again, and this time connect it to your second Facebook account. You should now have 2 different Monopoly Go accounts ready for use. For iPhone users, the steps are just as simple. Head to your device's settings, scroll to General, and then tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Monopoly Go app from the list, tap on Offload app, and once that's done, tap Reinstall. This process clears local files without deleting your account, ensuring you're ready to connect a new one. After reinstalling the app, open Monopoly Go again and link up your secondary Facebook account. Once all these steps are followed, you'll have successfully added a second Monopoly Go account on your device. And if you're ever interested in adding more accounts, you can repeat these steps as necessary. And there you have it. Enjoy playing Monopoly Go with multiple accounts on the same device, broadening your gaming possibilities and maximizing your fun.